This is Fun with Electronics Project 6 Part 3 where we test the dimmer circuit phase, phase 1. So here we'll be using 5 volts as a power supply, and uh, for the power supply plug into the op amp. So we're using an LF4345 chip, and since I didn't have like single 1.5 mega ohm resistors, I connected 1 mega ohm and 500 kilo ohms in series to make up for that. And yeah, so here are the touch A wires, the touch B wires, and here are the components. The 1 microfarad capacitor. Here's the output, and we'll be using an oscilloscope to visualize the output. So yeah, let's see what happens when we touch the touch A wires. So as you can see, it went up to 4.2 volts, close to 5. So now let's see what happens when we touch the touch B wires. As you can see, it goes down. Alright. Now let's touch A wires again. Yeah. Nice. And this is for 5 volts, but let's see what happens if we increase the power supply that connects to this part of the circuit. Let's see if we increase it to, what happens if we increase it to 6 volts. Alright, 6 volts. Touch A wires. Voltage goes up. Okay. Alright, touch B wires. Alright, touch A wires again. Voltage goes up, which is what we want. Alright, touch B wires. Alright. Okay, now let's see what happens if we increase the voltage to 7 volts. Alright, we got 7 volts. Touch A wires. Okay, looks like that the voltage increased a little bit. The maximum voltage that the output can go to. So let's see. Touch B wires. Okay. Touch A wires. Nice. Okay, let's see. Let's go to 8 volts. Touch A wires. Okay, it's already there. Let's see. Touch B wires. Okay. Okay, now touch A wires again. Should go up. It's going up. Good. Alright. So it's the same behavior even if you increase the voltage supply, the power supply. Okay. Okay. Cool. Nice.